Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve. Here I learned how to use AirDrop to share all types of files from your iPhone to another iOS device. First of all, activate AirDrop on both devices. You can turn on AirDrop from the control center. Swipe down or up, tap and hold on a network card. Tap on AirDrop. You can turn on for everyone if unknown device not in your contacts list. Here in video screen check for no home button iPhone X or later and home button iPhone. Now, open Photos app on iPhone, open photo or video that you want to transfer to other iOS devices. Tap on Sharing button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you can see AirDrop in the second line of the share sheet. Now in another pop-up, you will see all discovered iOS device that's nearby. You can scan your iDevice. Tap on device name to send it, at the other end accept the file and it will save directly to the Photos app. Now check out how to share contacts on AirDrop. Open Contact app and tap on the contact name, scroll to down and find Share the contact. Tap on it to show share sheet. Now tap on AirDrop and tap on Discovered AirDrop Device to send. Now at the other end accept and save new contacts directly to Contact app. Also, you can share Note over the AirDrop. Open Notes app on iPhone or iPad. Create a new note or open existing note that you want to share or transfer to other iOS device or Mac. Tap on the share icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you can see share speed with AirDrop option. Scan device and tap on device name to move. At the other end accept the permission and open on Note app. In the same way, we can create web page URL from our Safari or another browser tab. Open Safari browser on iOS device. Here I am sharing my blog URL to my iPhone 7 from iPhone XR. Tap on the share icon at the bottom center of the browser. From the share sheet finds AirDrop and enlarge to see all the iOS device. Also, you can see AirDrop name and recently sent AirDrop in the first line of the share sheet. Now I am sharing books or PDF file saved on my book app to another iOS device. Open Books app on iPhone, open Book and find the sharing option at the top left corner of the screen. Here's AirDrop option, tap on the device name and just send it. Also, accept other ends just like explained earlier.